You were such a good boy at the vet, and they love you. I mean, how could they not? Okay, come on, baby. Come on, my love. There we go. Let's get those poops. There we go. Let's get those poops. Well earned. Good job, Mikey. Yeah, good job. Sticks. Lots of sticks. Sticks. Oh, who's that? Who's that? Where are we going? You tell me. Oh, we're getting so brave. We're getting so brave. Are we going for walkies? Go get it. Ah! Go get your stick. You're ridiculous. You ready? Ready? Okay. You got spooked because of the Amazon driver.
What?
Those are the good people. Those are our friends.